You can make a payment from chat by tapping the Pay Someone button here, or from your account summary page by tapping here. If you've made payments before, you'll be able to choose a payee from your list. This will have their bank details ready to go. If you need to edit the payee's details, just tap here. If you're paying someone new, tap here. Fill in their name, sort code and account number. You can save their details to make future payments easier. Next, add the amount you want to pay, along with a payment reference if you need one. If you want to schedule or repeat the payment, just turn the switch on here and fill in the details. This is handy if you have regular payments to make, like paying wages or contract fees. Once the details are ready to go, you'll need to authorise the payment before it's made. Sorted! You can also pay someone again by typing pay, then their name, or pay followed by their name and an amount into chat like this. Super! For more how-to videos like this one, type "show me" into Anna and we'll sort you out. Sweet!